Welcome to our Q1 Release Note Roundup. Here's what's new to make your work smoother and faster. Let's start with Workshop Scheduler. Smarter scheduling with cross-depot alerts, multi-copy paste, and the new Include Repeatables feature for faster job allocation. Flexible planning with static or rolling week views, and the ability to change depots during job creation. Simplified absence management using bulk blockout time for holidays and extended absences. Better visibility and communication with customer emails in jobs and improved instruction highlighting. And lastly, reliable performance with fixed for job search, blockout time pasting and clipboard handling. Next, upgrades are here for Gold Service app, making working on the go easier. Full job details in-app for serial parts and plant equipment jobs, so engineers have everything they need at their fingertips. Mandatory photo uploads to ensure every job is properly documented. Trusted engineers can upload images directly into DuckStore, no portal approval required, saving time. View job start times and allocated hours for better daily planning. Improve serial and part number visibility to ensure more information is visible. And flexible rolling calendar options for 5, 6 or 7 day schedules, making planning easier. Here's what's new in Customer Connect to simplify account management. Custom columns and time range let you control which transaction details and timeframes customers see, so they only access relevant documents. Hide dispute codes remove specific dispute transactions for customers' view for a cleaner, easier to read transactions list. Statement configurations let you view and download current statements, providing customers with up-to-date account information. Transaction filters and audit history to quickly find transactions and track activity, making account management simpler. Buying groups let you view and filter transactions across all associated customers, making multiple account management easier. And customer invitations let you send invites to the right contacts quickly using stored or custom emails. And lastly, here's a look at the manufacturer integration improvement that make your work more reliable and efficient. CNH CSI now saves changes across all tabs, so your updates are always retained. John Deere e-billing and Instastat now display supplier warnings, batch fixes, origin info, and auto-applied discounts for faster, accurate processing. CNH ASOD fixes duplicate headers in historic files, ensuring proposals are generated correctly every time. And that's a wrap for this quarter. Check out our release note for full details.